In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at the call list feature available in the Sage SalesLogix web client for eMarketing solution. We've navigated to the eMarketing area and chosen the Call List tab. From here, we have a variety of filters that we need to set in order to generate the list we're looking for. So first, we can choose who the email history is assigned to, and that's the SalesLogix user. We can also choose a score threshold, greater than or less than. We can also select whether or not we want to consider the status of the email in the call list filter. We can also filter by leads, contacts leads, or just contacts, and also within a date range. And finally, we can choose an email tag. For every one of these values you set in these filters, they will all be considered before the generate call list feature is enabled and comes back and generates the list. So we'll go ahead and click on generate the call list, and based on the filters I set, it brought back one result. And so we have one email that was sent and delivered and has a score based on how many times that particular recipient clicked on the email, opened the email, and then also any of the tags or other considerations we put in the filter would show up here. Now at this point, we have the ability to either change the filter and go back and get different results, and we can schedule activities for the SalesLogix user against this particular lead. And you have the ability to schedule a phone call. You can also reassign it to a different SalesLogix user, or you can create a SalesLogix group based on all the recipients in the list. Now we're going to go to the campaign summary view in the SwiftPage website, and we're going to choose create call lists in here. And the same data that we have available back in SalesLogix is also stored on the SwiftPage website. This is just a sample of one of the call lists that SwiftPage generated from a previous campaign. And as you can see, what it's done is it's ranked and sorted the recipients in that blast based on a variety of different scoring metrics, such as that it was sent, how many times it was opened, and how many times they would have clicked on any of the links within the email itself. So the more times that's happened, the higher the ranking, and the more likely that that particular recipient might be interested in the content that we emailed to them. So again, this data stored on SwiftPage is also able then to be brought back into SalesLogix, as I showed you a moment ago, to build call lists and actually assign phone calls to SalesLogix users. So that's a description and demonstration of the call lists capability built into the Sage SalesLogix web client for eMarketing. Thanks for watching.